because if you look, I have this line here. That was the previous, high from the higher time frame. I also looked at the higher time frame with this. That's why I had to place my target here. Then when I placed my target here, I also stopped. I was trading it with my moving average. As you can see, price has been respecting the blue moving average and has been trading above the both of them. I allowed it to continue in my favor. I was just trailing it until I exit my trade. Let's see another example. This is also a buy scenario. Okay, so at about this point, you can see what happened. Price has been trading below the moving averages, and then at about this point, price broke above it. All right, and closed above it. So we waited for a crossover here, and then we took our trade. Basically, I knew that price was going to come back actually, so I took my trade right here. Then my stop loss came below this low. When my stop loss came below this low, as you can see, then I targeted about 1:6 risk reward ratio here. So at about this point when we entered, you can see how price was, just dangling around here. It was consolidating around here. So at this point when you are still starting your trade, when your trade is still very young, you will not use this moving averages as your trading stop, because at this point it is going to be going back and forth to moving average. It's going to be closing above and below it, above and below it. So if you use it as a trading stop, you are not going to make any headway. So you have to allow it to move to the next step in your favor without using the moving average. That is why you know which of the moving average price is respecting. Okay, like here you can't tell which one is respecting. It's not respecting anything here, so you will not use the moving average here. Stop until price has moved to an extent. So you can see after that price began to move. You can see here it respected the blue moving average, also respected the blue moving average, and at about this point it also respected the blue moving average. Same thing here. So the blue moving average was our trading stop until price came here and smashed our TP. It's exactly how I do use this strategy. It is one of the easiest strategies we find out there. And this works with a very high win rate. Alright? It works with very high win rate. So let me show you exactly how to get this moving average in your chart. If you want to get this moving average in your chart, what you need to do is to log into your trading view. When you log into your trading view, you are going to see your chart like this without the moving average. Okay, so it's going to be like this without the moving average. So what you do is go to this place where the roads indicators, click on it and then type just EMA. Then you are going to see this first one, this very first one, moving average exponential. Click on it, it's going to appear here. Okay, so I already have it here, the one I set up already, which is this one. I see this is the main, this is the one I just thought you have to use, this is the one I'm using. So what teaching you now how I set it up, how to set it up. So what you're going to do is setting here, this setting icon here is going to appear like this. So this box, okay, smoothing line, click it, come to input, click the select and type in 40. Okay, that's what I want. Then put that in the way they are. We want to make the line bigger. I want to make our line bigger. Okay, I'll make this one bigger. Yeah, this is the color. So leave others the eye. You can see them here. Leave other settings. Leave anything on the visibility. Change anything on the visibility. Okay, so then click done. Okay, so you have to increase the length. Alright, the length to 50. Remember the other for this one here is 50. Then click. That is it. So good. And see, this is the chart. This is the most exactly the same with this one. You have it right here. So guys, if you go back, don't forget to smash the like button and join the link is in the description or on my bio via TikTok. Thanks for watching this. Their Patrick saying only get goodbye.
Video about how you can market the collection of the conduit is a good solution. As you can see, this is a 50 in the 15 minutes to example to take how the price is dropping massively. You can see how it's dropping very smoothly. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, first of all, I saw a break of structure at about this point. Price broke structure right here and was coming down. So as it was coming down all the way from this point, all the way this here, it came down and started returning. While it was reversing, you can see it was moving in this pattern. Yeah, made a high, dropped, made a higher low here, and then pushed up, broke this previous high, giving us a higher high, and then came down again, making a low, and then pushed up again, made another high, and then dropped again, making another low, and then just like that continue making high. Then when it got here, notice what happened here. At about this point, this was our order block. This is where you find an order block, right? So when price got there, this is exactly where you should be paying attention on the chart. Look at what happened here. When price got there, first it dropped some weeks here, it dropped a little and then made this low. Then price went back up, wiped this level. Price went back up and wiped this level. This is what we call sweep of liquidity. Okay, so price liquidity was raided here, took out a lot of persons that played their stop loss here, and then price started dropping, came down here, broke this low, giving us what we call a break of structure, and then dropped and then went up again, retested this level, dropped again, went up here, it made double high and then wiped the high. As far as I saw this swipe, that was when I entered my trade here. This was a raid of liquidity, so I quickly entered my trade here. I can see how smoothly price dropped, and that's how it dropped up to this level. And I'm going to take my profit at about this point. Okay, I'm going to take out my profits at about this point. This is how you trade with precision. This is very simple. If the reason is that sometimes it might take a lot of time, waiting for all these things to play out, but it is better to wait for it to play out and then make profit than for you to rush into the trade and get taken out by the markets. Okay, so patience is key in the market. Once you have this knowledge, have patience, be disciplined enough to wait for price to do its things. Once price has finished doing its things and then giving you the setup you want, then you can execute your trade. This is just it, guys. So if you got value from this video, please smash the like button and turn the post notification bell, and check the description box. You see a link to my Telegram channel. Click and join my link for more tutorials and for free signals. Also, check this channel and watch more videos like this. Goodbye.
So after I hit this unfortunate loss as a result of news events, I decided to go all out and learn how to trade news. Since then, it has been amazing, and my news trading strategy is almost 100% accurate. But because of human errors that can occur, I will say it is 95 to 99% accurate. Because of this scenario where I saw a buy and I mistakenly clicked sell. As soon as I realized it, I had to close that sell in loss and place the buy, which recovered all the losses. So my news trading strategy is 95 to 99% accurate, and this is me trading news live. All I just need to do is to do my fundamental analysis using my Forex Factory or my FX book, and then I'm able to scoop some money from the market. So here I'm going to take a sell, as is seen here. I'm going to take a sell. This is it. So I'm going to take some sales here. My target is to hit $100, like to make $100 profit on this account. So I'm going to take some sell. Already the market has made some move before I entered, but it's still fine. So I'm going to take some sell, and I'm very sure I'm going to win this trade, because over time, from my back testing and my live trades, it has proven to work almost 99% accurate, like almost 100% accurate. So you can see it is already moving in my favor. This is my FSB notifying me. So it is already moving in my favor. You can see that. So this is just how it works. Like very fast, you have made your money and you're out of the market. You don't need to start doing some crazy analysis. You don't even need to do any technical analysis. You just need to know how to do a fundamental analysis. Alright, and this is the best way of trading. You can do your other businesses, your 9-to-5 job, and still do your trading. Just trading news. All I do is I set my alarm 5 minutes to the news time, and then I plan what I want to do, set the lot size I want to use. Once it's time, boom, I hit the buy or sell according to my analysis, and within a short time I close my trade. I'm done for the day. I wait for that news time. That's just what I do, and since then my win rate has been massive. So I'm hosting a 30 days news trading mentorship. So all you need is just 1 week to learn it. Okay, I will teach you guys how to do it live in just 1 week, and then the remaining days we'll be trading it together live. Believe me, before that month, whatever it costs you to join the mentorship, you would have recovered it multiple times. You can start trading news with as little as $5, and you can grow it to $100
or even $500
in just a week. So just message me now to get started with the news trading mentorship. Message me now to get started.
You can also join my Telegram community, which is totally free, so you can get more educational materials there and also reach me personally. If you're watching on YouTube, the link is in the description box down below this video, but on TikTok it is on my bio. Just click the link. Hello guys, look here on your screen and you will see me starting to run a robot on an account of $1,000. Let's see how far we are going to take this account to. Okay, so because I'm starting this account with $1,000 doesn't mean it must be $1,000. You can also run it on the $50 or $100 or $200 account, depending on how much you have. Okay, so all you need to do is contact me via my Telegram link, my Telegram channel. The link is in the description box, and also in my Telegram channel you also find my WhatsApp link, okay, where you can also reach me in case you can't message me via Telegram. Just click the Telegram link in the description box, join my Telegram group. You can use my WhatsApp link and message me on WhatsApp or message me via Telegram, anywhere to reach me, and I will get this across to you. Okay, so this robot works amazing. It works wonders, and once you install it on your system, your MT5, you don't need anything again. Okay, just make sure it's on your PC and attach to your MT5, then attach it to any you want it to trade, any instrument you want it to trade. Basically we are trading VIX 75 right now. Okay, you are trading VIX 75 right now, so you can see how it's moving. The account is up to 4,300 already. So this is to show you that this robot works wonders. It works really well. Okay, now some features you need to know about this robot is that the stop loss, the robot takes trade and sets stop loss automatically, and also sets take profit automatically. And again, once the trade is in your favor and has gone to an extent in your favor, it moves the stop loss to a break-even point to protect your capital, so you don't be in profit for a while and end up losing again. Okay, so that's how amazing this stuff is. Like now it's in profit now. Let's see. Yeah, it has moved the stop loss to break even point. Okay, so if it goes back now, it will just close at break even, but this seems to be going towards take profit. Okay, so let's see how this one goes. It might hit the take profit, or if it goes back, it just hit the break even and you will not lose. All right, that's how this works. Okay, so the target here, you can see, is 1:3 risk reward ratio. So this one we actually hit the take profit, and it is 1:3 risk reward ratio, which means if you are risking $100, you are going to be targeting a profit of $300. That's how this robot works, and you can actually adjust your stop loss and take profits. All right, you can adjust them according to what you want. Also, your lot size, you can adjust it according to your account size and according to your risk tolerance. Okay, some people like to risk much, some people like to risk small. So because of that, we have made a provision where you can easily adjust the lot size and tell the robot what to be taking and what to be risking. All right, that's how this works. So you just need to install it and go to sleep. It will be trading for you. It will do the analysis automatically, take trade automatically, and do all the executions automatically. Your own is to just come and withdraw your money. That's how it works. So contact me via Telegram. The link is in the description box. Click the link and you'll be taken automatically to my Telegram channel. You can also see my WhatsApp link there, so you can click it and also message me via WhatsApp in case you want to reach me through that medium. So that's just it. This robot is amazing. You can see we are up to 9,000 already. So that's just it, guys.
Yes guys, this video is going to be an answer or a solution to the age-long struggle of many persons in this trading industry. So if you're a struggling trader or you're a beginner trader, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to be divulging a very key secret that will help you break through in your trading career. So pay attention and smash the like button for this video, and if you are new to this channel, just subscribe to the channel, and let's go straight to the channel. Let me show you exactly the strategy that has made me move from this to this. Okay, now on the chart here you can see we have this setup. This is a trade we took, and as you can see right here, it is 1:3 risk reward ratio. Now we have this simple strategy of using the moving average. As you can see, this is the moving average, the EMA, 40 precisely. Now I am going to show you the full setup of this strategy. As you can see, there are two lines here, the blue line and the orange colored line. These things, they work perfectly. So let's go straight to the first example. This is the first example here. You can see how price was moving here above these moving averages. Price was trending above these moving averages, especially above this orange colored moving average. This is number one thing you need to observe. Price has been moving above the orange colored moving average. That is number one thing you want to observe. After observing that, the next thing you want to observe is that the blue moving average crosses below the orange colored moving average. See this, make sure immediately. Now when you cross below, this is for a sell position. This is for a sell position. When you take your trade at the cross below, your stop loss should come above the most recent high. That is if you are selling. Okay, this is the sell scenario. So your stop loss should come above this most recent high. This is the most recent high here. So your stop loss should come above it, right? Just as we have here. Then this is the cross can see here, which was around this area. So we took the trade right now, right here, and you can see the massive drop. Price dropped here, came back a little, give us a little drawdown, and you can see the sharp drop. And we got about 1:3 risk reward ratio. This is exactly how this strategy works, guys. So if you are not aware of this strategy, then you are sleeping on the bicycle. You are sleeping on your arms. So let's see the next one. This is a buy scenario, guys. This is a buy scenario. Okay, take note of the rules of this game, guys. For a sell scenario, price have to be trading above the orange colored moving average. Price have to be trading above the orange colored moving average. I am repeating it for emphasis sake. Now that's the first rule. The second rule is that for you to sell, you must see the blue colored moving average cross below the orange colored moving average, just as we have here. Alright, now when you see the cross, it is a sell signal. So you are going to take your sell as soon as you see that cross below. After taking your sell, the next thing is where to place your stop, like your stop loss. So where you place your stop loss, the most recent you can see side. Recent high you can see side, that is the level for you to place your stop loss. Then your take profit must be a minimum of 1:2 risk reward ratio. Now there are two ways I take my profit in this. When price starts moving in my favor and has moved to an extent in my favor, I will start using the moving average, this moving average rather, this orange colored moving average, because most of the times it serves as a trend line, as a support or resistance trend line. Okay, so I will use it to trail the stop. I will use it as my trailing stop. But if I see that price is respecting this blue moving average, I will now use the blue moving average as my trailing stop. That's how I do it most of the time. Okay, so for here I was targeting, like I told you, you must target a minimum of 1:2 risk reward ratio, but you can target more. So here I targeted 1:3 risk reward ratio, and as you can see, price hit my take profit very easily before going back to hit or to close the above moving average. So here I'm already out of the market. So it is very simple. Now this is a buy scenario. As you can see here, price has been trading below the moving average, so you have opportunity to buy. Okay, you know that you are waiting for a buy. When price is trading below the orange colored moving average, you are not looking to sell, you are looking to buy. Okay, because we trade break and retest strategy. Alright, we trade the break and retest strategy. So you can see, so price came and broke above it, closing above it, I came back here. That's where you got this that's where you got the crossover. Okay, that's where we got the crossover right here. And so you take your trade. When you take your trade here, then look behind you at the left, you see the low here. That's where you place your stop loss. Okay, so this is my stop loss. This is the low here. So I placed my stop loss right there, and I went for 1:5 risk reward ratio. Alright, because if you look, I have this line here. That was the previous high from the higher time frame. I also looked at the higher time frame. That's why I had to place my target here. Then when I placed my target here, I also was trailing the stop. I was trailing it with my moving average. As you can see, price has been respecting the blue moving average and has been trading above the both of them. So I allowed it to continue moving in my favor. I was just trailing it until price hit my take profit. If price didn't hit my take profit, I would have closed it around here. As soon as I see this candle closing below the blue moving average, because price has been respecting it, as we can see here. Price has been respecting it. Alright, so this is how I exit my trades. Let's see another example. This is also a buy scenario. Okay, so at about this point, you can see what happened. Price has been trading below the moving averages, and at about this point, price broke above it. All right, and closed above it. So we waited for a crossover here, and then we took our trade. Basically, I knew that price was going to come back actually, so I took my trade right here. Then my stop loss came below this low. When my stop loss came below this low, as you can see, then I targeted about 1:6 risk reward ratio here. So at about this point when we entered, you can see how price was, just dangling around, looking around here. At this point, when you are still, your trade is still, you will not use this moving average for trailing stop, because at this point it is going to be going back and forth to moving average. It's going to be closing above and below it, above and below it. So if you use it as a trailing stop, you are not going to make any headway. So you have to allow it to move to an extent in your favor before you start using the moving average. That is when you will know which of the moving average price is respecting. Okay, like here you can't tell which one is respecting. It's not respecting anything here. So you will not use the moving average here as your trailing stop until price has moved to an extent. So you can see after that, price began to move. Price began to move. You can see here it respected the blue moving average. Here it also respected the blue moving average. And at about this point, it also respected the blue moving average. Same thing here. So the blue moving average was our trailing stop until price came here and smashed our TP. Okay, so this is exactly how I do use this strategy. It is one of the easiest strategies we find out today, and this works with a very high win rate. Alright, it works with very high win rate. So let me show you exactly how to get this moving average on your chart. If you want to get this moving average on your chart, what you need to do is to log into your trading view. When you log into your trading view, you're going to see your chart like this without the moving average. Okay, so it's going to be like this without the moving average. So what you do is go to this place where the wrote indicators, click on it, and then type EMA, just EMA. Then you're going to see this first one, this very first one, moving average exponential. Click on it. It's going to appear here. Okay, so me, I already have it here, the one I set up already, which is this one. And see, this is the one I just taught you how to use. This is the one I'm using. So but teaching you now how I set it up, how to set it up. So what you're going to do is come to the setting here, this setting icon here, click on it. It's going to appear like this. So check this box, okay, this smoothing line, click it, and then come to inputs, click this and select and type in 40. Okay, 40, that's what I want. Then leave every other thing the way they are. Come back here. We want to make the line bigger. We want to make our line bigger. Okay, that's it. Then we want to also make this one bigger. Yeah, this is the color, the way it is. The way they are, you can see them here. Leave other settings. Leave other settings. Don't change anything on the visibility. Don't change anything on the visibility. Okay, so this is just it. Then click done. Okay. Okay. One more thing. So you have to increase the length to 50. All right. You have to increase the length to 50. Remember the other one is 40, but this one here is 50. Make sure you increase it to 50. Then click done. That is it.